Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel. Since you like watching instant karma and when cops are on time, we prepared a special episode for you. Hit that like button and enjoy this one. In this first clip, you will see why it's never a good idea to break the speed limit. You can never know when a cop is watching, and this driver here learned his lesson the hard way.
Yep.
Pay close attention at the right lane. This driver was speeding, and on top of that, the road was already wet and slippery due to rain. This move was really dangerous on his behalf, but luckily, an officer was there to intervene just on time. Driver in the far right lane thought that it would be a good idea to break the speed limit and move past the traffic. He had a great plan indeed, but an officer spoiled it for him. This driver got wrongfully pulled over by an officer. As you can see, a driver in a white SUV sped past the camera on the left side, and when the officer pulled them over, he let the driver in the white SUV go.
What's the speed limit here?
55.
That guy passed us up. That guy just passed us up. That guy just passed us up. Why are you pulling me over? I wasn't doing 70.
You were way back there.
That guy just passed me up.
Okay. Well, I gotta give it 70 miles an hour.
It wasn't me, it was that guy. I'm telling you
well,
right
got
now.
License, registration,
I do,
insurance,
yeah.
Okay.
Why? You let that guy go, he just passed us
You
up.
were passing back there, okay?
No, we
Back
weren't
there when I was
passing.
sitting on the side of the road, I'm not gonna argue with you, all right? Give me your license, registration,
There you
insurance.
go. We weren't driving that fast. I've
You
got it on
weren't?
video. I've got it on video right here.
Officers spent around 10 minutes chasing the driver in a white SUV in circles. It's only one way in and out of this neighborhood, but the officers were not aware of that. They could have blocked the exit if they knew, but instead, they were chasing him around.
Sheriff's Office?
Hey, officer.
The reason I pulled you over is you're going way too fast down this mountain. Why?
Sorry about that.
Why?
I don't know.
This is not a track.
Yeah, I'm sorry about
You got
that.
the gloves on. I mean, I know the suspension's good. I know. I know it can handle turns.
It's
I
not
know
like a
it's
Porsche,
good.
but
You
sorry
can't
about
do
that.
that.
I'm sorry about
You
that,
can't.
officer. Yeah.
Can I see your driver's license, please?
Sure, yeah.
Shut it off.
Can I, yeah. Can I reach it in my pocket?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yes, sir. I was doing almost 60 to catch up to you. I know
Really?
you were doing high 40s, high 50s going down the mountain. It's like 35 on the turns.
Oh, sorry about that, officer. Do you need my insurance as well, or?
You have insurance on it?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you're good.
Okay, cool.
Just hang tight. Okay.
Few minutes later.
We had to be. That C6 was definitely going faster than us.
All right, listen, it's a nice day.
Yeah.
You're out driving around, okay?
Yeah.
I didn't write you a ticket, okay?
Appreciate
I
it.
gave you a warning.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
So, written warning is documented that I pulled you over
Okay, gotcha.
for going too fast for the conditions of the roadway, the conditions being the tight turns.
Right. Okay.
Walking County
Just-
752, 1081.
Just please slow down.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I'm about to just head back home.
Just be careful.
All right. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. What's your name? It's good to meet you. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Be careful.
All right. For sure. You have a good one.
Driver that was behind the camera got tired of doing the speed limit, so he passed him by. Unfortunately for him, an officer was just down the road and he saw exactly what happened. People speed through here quite often, and this driver surely regrets what he did. One driver tried to cheekily cut in front of the camera, but the camera didn't allow him that pleasure. Neither of them wanted to slow down, and it eventually came to contact.